The Conair Waterfall Braid Maker makes it easy for you and your friend to create an elegant cascading waterfall braid. The braiding tool is designed to make it simple. Begin with slot 2 of the tool facing you. Takes 2 strands from hair from the left of the head and twist them over one another twice. Insert the right strand into slot number 3. And the left into slot number 1. Lift the third strand from the top of the head, right side, and insert into slot number 2. Now slip the hair out of slot number 1 and let it hang down. To start the waterfall effect. Next, take a strand from hair from underneath the tool right next to the one that you've just released and pull it across into slot number 2 and into slot number 4 as you're rotating the tool. Take a hair from the top right and slip it into slot number 3. Release the hair from slot number 2 and let it go. Take a piece of hair right next to the hair that you've just released and cross it over into slot number 1 as you're rotating it. Take a hair from the top and put it in slot number 4 and release the first one, which is in slot number 3, or the slot on your left hand side. Take a hair next to the hair that you just released, cross over the hair and turn the tool and put it in slot number 2. Take a hair from the top and put it in the center, which is slot number 1, and release slot number 4. Repeat this action as you create a perfect waterfall braid. Over, cross, top, middle, out. Okay, Carla, I think we're